Hey beautiful, here's a glam makeup look for date night on Valentine's Day with 2 lipstick choices. This is a requested makeup look on my Instagram, so to those who asked for it, keep watching because this is for you.
When it's like nothing wrong,
we are gonna skip the part where I do my base because I use only one HG foundation, concealer, and powder as of the moment, so just do your base like you normally would. However, this next step is very important as we're going heavy on the eyes. Apply a translucent powder underneath to catch fallouts. Starting with KYLIE's eyeshadow palette, I'm taking the shade Sandy to warm up the crease and then quickly followed with Peachy using a dense crease brush. I'm building this color on the hollows of my eyes by adding more layers as I go. This will become our transition color. Next, take Duke, which is a rusty color, using a smaller brush and apply this on the crease. Keep blending and adding more layers until you achieve that deep set eye look. If you're having problems with creating a deep set eye, just lift your eyebrows to easily see the hollows of your eyes like I'm doing here. Using the shade Manila from SKINPOTIONS JETSETTER palette, deepen the crease by slowly outlining it and swiping your brush from end to end. Now, instead of lifting my brows, I'm gonna rest my brows and letting that brush go in between the crease of my eyes. And in a patting motion, apply this color to the outer V up to the half part of the eyelid. Leave some space for the glitters. And then once that's applied, use a tiny blending brush like the Sigma Blending E36 brush for precision. Now to the fun part, glitters. I'm loving this Touch and Sol METTALIST liquid foiling glitter that I think I'm gonna use this in every makeup tutorial. Apply this across the whole eyelid except the outer V, and then with the glitter on the other side, apply it directly on the middle part only for a super duper blending highlight. Your date would think you're a goddess.
as long as you can show me a good time.
And then remove the excess glitters using this fancy, clean Yuki Yuki Dual Makeup Cotton Buds, and then create a dramatic wing liner to partner with our glam eyes. I'm using Fenty Beauty FLYLINER Long Lasting Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Cause I'm Black. After that, curl your lashes and apply some mascara, and then add LASHLAB KIMBERLY 3D Mink lashes to your lash line. I'm going back to the KYLIE eyeshadow palette and adding the same shades Sandy, Peachy, and Manila from the JETSETTER palette to my lower lash line. Keep buffing those colors to create a seamless eyeshadow, and then to complete the whole eye makeup, apply North Star to the inner corners, which is a light pink shimmer from the KYLIE eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to add some mascara to the bottom lashes as well and the upper lashes so you have one set of lashes. I'm gonna do my brows off cam. I used K Palette Real Lasting Eyebrow Liquid, and then I used CARELINE Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Glaze, which I really like because it's such a pretty nude pink. I'm also gonna quickly warm up the color of my face using the BAHAMA bronzer because I forgot to do so while applying my base. You can build this up or down depending on your style, and then set your face using MAYBELLINE MASTERFUL by FACESTUDIO Wear Boosting Setting Spray. I find that this setting spray adds some glow to my face, but to add more highlights, I'm gonna use the Balm Berry Luminizer to finish the look. If you want to be bold, try this dark red lip, but first I'm lining my lips with KYLIECOSMETICS lip liner in the shade VIXEN. And to be honest with you, I've had high expectations for this since it's what made Kylie Jenner famous, but I was really disappointed to see one of her products with this kind of quality. Lastly is to apply Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink City Edition in the shade Testy. This is really what inspired this look, which you could wear on date night that's Valentine's Day. Which lipstick do you think matches the eye makeup? Let me know what you think, and if you have requests, write it down in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you.